Right, just off camera I undid that one, and yeah, success. Broke straight off. Picking this, probably do the same. It's actually undone, I think. Anyway, it's loose. So I'll just put the camera here. Can't believe it's undoing. The other one just broke the arm. I would believe something so rusty would undo. Gave out in the end, but broke off in the end, but almost got there. Found a little container from all my bits and bobs, broken bits and nuts and bolts, and you know, gotta send some to the underneath so you can never find them again. Oh, there we go. That's gonna come off that. Just gotta open that fender. Oh, there we go. That is completely blocked in there. Not sure if it's meant to be like that. Anyway. Just show you this, I haven't seen it there. Looks a bit wet in there. Yeah, not sure. Anyway, clean that off. Yeah, nice and clean. Get back in there. You know, there's another guy I watch. His name is Bruce in Australia, and he's quite an inspiration too. And yeah, I like how he says you always got to think of the next guy. Like, you know, if we end up not going anywhere with it, you know, make it easy for the next guy. So quite like that. Thanks, Bruce, if you ever watch this, which I doubt you will. But anyway, what's happening down here is the goop is still coming out. Yeah, that's not too good. I think I'm actually going to try and undo that. Let me take this radiator off. I'll try and take this radiator off. Alright, so there's a nut in there, and another one in there which I got my thing stuck in there, and I don't know how to get them out. I just thought I'd take the top of this off, and yeah, so not too flash. Right, so I can't get that. I don't know how to get those bolts off, so I'm going to have to come back to that. But I thought I'd take this off, see what we find. Alright, so I managed to get this off. I wanted to see what's going on in here. Well, doesn't look that bad, does it? I don't really know much, but it doesn't look so bad to me. Anyway, I'll stick the camera down in there. Anyway, as you'll see, I just chucked the bonnet back on just to give it some sort of protection. I've sprayed everything with the Lano coat, all the bolts, and screwing around it and trying to loosen shit up. Everything's so rusted, I'm not sure whether, anyway, worst case scenario, there'll be some parts for sale. I've gone around and lubed everything, and I've got this working sideways now. I'm just got to get it moving up and down, and I've also got this. Yes, it's moving it now. It's still pretty stiff. I'm sorry, I remember they were quite stiff in their day, to be fair. Anyway, pack up the tools. I've run out of WD-40, so I used it to put over there. Probably doesn't need more water in there. Actually, it didn't look too bad in there for what I could see, but it's a diamond in the rough. It's going to be a pretty special diamond because it's pretty darn rough. Anyway, we'll persevere and see what happens. Worst case scenario, I'll have fun pulling it to bits. My next thing I want to do is get this all off. I need to get that roll bar off, and then those bolts. I think I'm actually going to have to cut those off or something because they're so past it. I don't have a gas axe or anything. But yeah, my next job, I want to get all this, the tank and everything off, all this superficial shit off. That's not superficial, it needs to be there, but I've gone around and done those a couple of times, just put some stuff on there. Just sprayed that stuff everywhere on all the joints, and yeah, so I'll try and get all this off next chance. Yeah. Anyway, till next time. Hey, what are you doing? Stealing my tractor?
Oh, I think I've got a little problem.
Can't get it started, eh?
Nah, it's full of rust.
Right, here we are, 484, it's my mate Tony.
Kia ora, bros.
And anyway, I forgot to video it, but we took the starter motor off because this was jammed. We've now got this working, and we moved got my handy dandy screwdriver, and we moved the flywheel thing round, and the motor actually moved. So
Show them.
oh no, the starter motor.
Huh?
I can't get the screwdriver in there.
Oh no, look.
Oh, so we've got it moving a little bit now. So we're going to take this because we don't actually need that belt on.
Oh yeah.
So Tony's just undoing that real easily.
It's undone.
I'll put a bit more.
It should just slide down the bloody thing.
Oh, you need to undo that end too, bro. To loosen it. That one. So put some juice on
You
there.
didn't tell me about that one.
Lano coat.
Just so everyone's clear, I know nothing about,
I don't know anything either.
about motors.
So
This is
we're going to loosen
this is
that
the
off.
starter motor. This thing here, okay, and that is the alternator down there. Yeah.
Hey?
Oh, there we go.
Okay,
What?
so take that off.
Oh. Where's your screwdriver?
Just use your hands, mate.
Yeah, right there.
What are you? What are you, weak?
Right there, right.
There we go. Right, it's probably going to whiz over and start up, probably. You know, because we don't need a filter on there.
Let's get this right off the way, because we might be able to use this later.
You want it on?
Oh yeah, it's kind of glued on.
Right,
There
so
we
we've
go.
got the belt off now because we don't need the water pump going. We're going to do a hard day's work with it now.
There's no water, because the radiator's like on the ground over there.
We'll put that back on later. Okay, let's hang on now. So Tony's going to punch it over. We're going to see what happens. Yeah, make sure that's working. All right, here we go. Oh, it's turning over. It's turning over. That's a miracle.
It probably needs to be able to breathe, eh?
That's
Oh, no,
exhaust.
that's intake there, eh?
Yeah.
It turns over!
Hey!
We did it!
It's not locked up. That's great news.
Now we can go to the pub!
Yeah. So what does that mean?
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Good work. So we pulled the starter motor off
Because it was jammed.
because it was jammed, so we've unfreed that up and we've got all that working, and hooked the battery in it, got that working. So we thought the engine was locked up, but this here's won't move.
Alternator's jammed.
Alternator's jammed, so we pulled the belt off, and then we did this. That's great. I honestly thought it was locked up, so that's good. So you know what my next trick's going to be?
We get some fuel.
No, because no,
No, you just pour it in the fucking...
no, that's not a petrol. That's for petrol engines.
Oh.
Yeah, we work with this because we need power to the.
Put it in the carburetor, we.
We need these the glow plugs here. Oh no, they're injectors, sorry. And I don't think these have glow plugs actually. Do it? I don't think they have glow plugs. Anyway, try it again.
No oil in it, though.
No.
Don't want to turn it over too much, do we? No oil.
I'll start that bit right.
You maybe want to put some oil in there.
I thought you didn't know anything about engines.
Oh, and they need oil.
Alright. Well, that's great. Great news. Anyway, that's pretty cool.
That's cool.
That means it's
not a
not-
disaster. It's not a garden ornament.
a garden ornament. Don't know what you're talking about.
That's the alternator. That's what was stopping it from turning.
Yeah, very possibly. I don't know why it's seized up.
Because it's been in the rain, boo.
It's been in the salt water rain.
I reckon we should pull one off your XD Falcon and put it on.
I think we might just try and get it going first.
Yeah, I should take that off, eh? Or should we go to the pub?
I've got to be cleaned up before I go anywhere. Great work.
Nice.